Here we have a program that is using a variable. So as you saw on the previous slide, a variable is just a name for storing data. And in this one, we're actually using the variable name because we're going to ask the user for their name. So when we run the program, look, what is your name is on screen. And as the user, I'm able to respond. Now, this program doesn't do anything with that. But what I could do is I could amend this. So it asked for hobby, and then we input what's your favorite hobby. Now if I run it, it asks for the name. So Bob likes skiing. Now it doesn't do anything with that. Now your first part with this is to try and amend this code so that it has a new variable called age, asking the user to input their age. So see if you can make it do that. Pause the video, have a go at that, and then come back. Okay, now that you've done that, moving down the page, we've got a modify exercise here for you. We've got a similar bit of activity, except Adrian is now in the game. We're asking for an input. We want Adrian to respond to the user. Now what we can do is we can ask Adrian to write like we did before. We can ask Adrian to write the name. Then we can ask Adrian to go to, staying at x0, moving down 15. We can then make Adrian write again. Let's run this and see what happens. Now we can't see down here is Adrian is asking me for my name down at the bottom. So I'm going to enter Bob. Bob, it's nice to meet you. And I forgot that last instruction. Remember that we have to tell Adrian exactly what to do. Get out of the way of the writing, Adrian. Run it again. Bob, it is nice to meet you. Now we can actually get Adrian to combine things. So let's ask another question. It's going to ask the person whose name it is and add to that how old are you? Now this one actually asks the question. I would then need to ask for another input like you did in the previous one. Age equals input. How old are you? And then we could carry on with the conversation in that way. So down here we've got what is your name? Just off what I can record. And I say, how old are you? And it's asking me again down here. Enter a date, and then it would carry on. So have a play around with this. We're using these commands, using a variable and input, .write, go-tos and combinations of those in the sequences to see if you can make Adrian have a little conversation with people.